चैनल से और आज आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे बिग न्यूज़ फॉर एंजल वन शेयर होल्डर्स जोनों के एंजल वन का जो शेयर होल्डर है उन लोगों को साथ एक बिग न्यूज़ आया है जोने की जो बोर्ड टू कंसीडर शेयर स्प्लिट एंड इंटरिम डिविडेंड ऑन January 15 बाय नाउ। और आप लोगों ने देखा जो एक बिग न्यूज़ आया है फॉर एंजल वन शेयर होल्डर के लिए बोर्ड टू कंसीडर शेयर स्प्लिट एंड इंटरिम डिविडेंड ऑन January 15 बाय नाउ। The announcement that Angel One's board of directors would convene on January 15, 2026 to discuss two significant shareholder-friendly proposals, the declaration of the first interim dividend for financial year 2026 and the subdivision split of equity shares has drawn attention from the market. The development suggested a potential capital restructuring that would increase stock liquidity and provide investors with a cash payment at the same time. The board has declared to consider the proposal for alteration in the share capital of the company by subdivision split of existing equity shares having a face value of less than each fully paid up subject to approval of the shareholders of the company and others requested regulatory approval. It is further informed that in terms of Regulation 42 of the listing regulation, the record date for owning the shareholders who shall be entitled to receive the interim dividend, if any so declared, will be Wednesday, January 21, 2026, said Angel One is stock exchange filing. Further, and intimated earlier, pursuant to the listing, the regulation and the amendment made to the trading window in respect of equity shares of the company will remain closed till January-September 2026. Example, up to 48 hours from the conclusion of board meeting. Angel One further informed stock exchange over the past few years. Angel One has constantly paid dividend to its the shareholder based on company operation data collected by India in foreign and the value broking. For example, through board approval and exchange filing, Angel One announced two interim dividend of $11 per share each and a final dividend of $26 per share in financial year 2024 to 2025. In terms of dividend yield, Angel One has generally paid out dividend at rate of about 2% of its shares price. Based on the prevailing price, the company had a yield of around 2.03% and annual dividend of $48 per share, according to stockanalyst.com. Angel One target price. Angel One is trading in strong bullish structure after a healthy consolidation indicating fresh accumulation at lower level. The stock is holding firmly above its key supported zone near 2330 and remains above major moving average. Momentums indicates are positively placed, suggesting the continuation of the uptrend. A sustains the move above 2440 can trigger the next leg of the rally toward 2500 and 2600. Maintain a strict stop loss at 2330. Comment technical analyst Ryong Arwa of Mehta Equities. Angel One stock price is bearish with strong resistance at 2547 on the daily chart. A daily close below support of 2391 could lead to a target of 2072 in the near terms.